Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your Apple Music profile picture on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Music app. Next, tap on Listen Now at the bottom, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top here. Then tap on View Profile. Next, tap on the Edit button. Now to change your profile picture, just tap on the icon right here. And from here, you can choose to take a new picture or choose photo from the photo library. Now you can move and scale the picture. Then tap on Choose. Next, tap on Done. And that's it. We have now successfully changed the music profile picture on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.